I feel like we don't talk about culture enough. I don't have enough videos out there about culture, but the importance of culture at your company is massive. It's bigger than you can believe. And especially at manufacturing companies, all the time we talk to people where there is some bad culture going on at the companies. That happens at any place. It's happened here before, and whenever that happens and you have culture that is going down the wrong path, you have to make swift and quick adjustments to cut that out. Whether it's a person, a policy, a group of people, department changes, whatever it is, you have to focus on creating a good culture because everything that you do touches so many different people. And I've talked with clients and they're like, oh man, my boss is always down my throat. They're like this type of person. You have to look at it from the standpoint like everybody's here as a team and we're all working towards one goal to move the ball down the field. And if you've got people on that team that are hindering that performance, and let's say it's your boss, then you might need to rethink where you're working at. And if you are a boss and you have an employee that's hindering that at any degree or level, have a conversation with them. If things don't happen, then you need to make a change with that person.